How to add contact to WhatsApp group without admin. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add contact to WhatsApp group without admin. Now, if you open up the WhatsApp and head into a particular group here and head into the group profile, you'll get an option to add participants. Now, however, you will have to be an admin to add contacts or to remove contacts from WhatsApp group, and there is no any other way around. The only way to do so is ask the admin of the group to give you the admin, and so that you can add participants. Once you become an admin, you can add participants from your contacts, or even if you don't have the contacts, you can invite them via link. You can copy the link and share it to any other platforms, and they'll be able to join in through the link. Or you can edit the participants and you can remove them too. So this is the only way you can add contacts to WhatsApp group. You will have to be the admin due to the security reasons. There is no any other way around. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.